How can I transfer files without NFC?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle a common challenge that many of us face: transferring files without NFC or near-field communication. This might seem complicated, but don't worry, we've got some simple, straightforward solutions to get you through it. So let's dive in and make the process of file transfer easy and efficient.
What is NFC and why might you need an alternative?
NFC, or Near-Field Communication, is a set of communication protocols that enable two electronic devices to establish communication by bringing them within 4 centimeters of each other. NFC is commonly used for transferring files, making payments, and more. However, not all devices support NFC, and sometimes you might need to transfer larger files or over longer distances. In these cases, alternatives to NFC can be quite handy.
Using Bluetooth for file transfer.
One of the most common alternatives to NFC is Bluetooth. Most devices these days come equipped with Bluetooth functionality, making it a universal and convenient option for file transfers. 1. Pair the two devices. This usually involves going into the Bluetooth settings on each device, making one visible, and selecting it on the other. 2. Once the devices are paired, select the file you want to transfer, choose the Share or Send option, and select Bluetooth. Then, choose the device you want to send the file to. 3. On the receiving device, accept the file transfer. The file will then be downloaded onto the device.
Using Wi-Fi Direct for file transfer.
Another alternative is Wi-Fi Direct. This creates a direct, peer-to-peer wireless connection between your devices, which allows for the transfer of larger files at higher speeds. 1. First, enable Wi-Fi Direct on both devices. This option can typically be found in the Wi-Fi or network settings. 2. Then, on the device you're sending the file from, choose the file, select the Share or Send option, and pick Wi-Fi Direct. Then select the device you want to send the file to. 3. On the receiving device, accept the incoming file transfer. Your file will then begin downloading onto this device.
Using cloud storage services for file transfer.
If your devices aren't in the same vicinity, or if you want to keep a backup of your file, you can use cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox. 1. Upload the file from the source device to your chosen cloud service. 2. Then, on the receiving device, simply log into the same cloud service and download the file. This method requires an internet connection and may consume data, so be aware of your network conditions and data usage. And there you have it. Simple and effective ways to transfer files without NFC. Whether you're using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi Direct, or a cloud storage service, you now have the knowledge to make file transfer a breeze. We hope you found this information helpful. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier, not more complicated. Until next time, stay tech-savvy and keep exploring.